Right now I will quickly show you all box accessories of Poco F7 Pro. So let's put the phone aside and let's focus on the box. Let me open this one up, and right here we can find the phone and here is the box with the accessories. So let's take this one out and let's put this one aside too. And here are our accessories, and on the back of this box right here we can find the SIM tray tool. And as we open this one up, here we can find the cable, charging cable, which is from the Type C and Type A cable. We can find the quick start guide and warranty card and some other documents, safety information. And right here we can also find this protective silicone case, which comes right here with our phone. Let me open this one up and let me show you how it looks like. It looks like this. It is kind of gray, black or grayish color, something like this. And yeah, that will be all about these box accessories. Unfortunately, we don't have this protective, the charging adapter right here. And we can find this information on the back of this box right here, that there is no charging adapter included, and it is recommended to use from 10 to 90 watts charging adapter. So that's it. Thank you for watching.